Ever walk into a restaurant and marvel at the smooth operation? Orders flying in, servers gliding around the floor, and your meal appearing seemingly out of thin air? Well, there's a good chance some unseen tech hero is working behind the scenes. That hero could very well be TouchBistro, an all-in-one restaurant management system designed to streamline every aspect of running a restaurant. From taking orders to managing inventory, TouchBistro aims to be the secret weapon for restaurants of all sizes. But with so many restaurant management systems out there, how popular is TouchBistro? And how many restaurants have embraced this digital revolution in their kitchens and dining rooms? That's the burning question we're tackling today. So, grab your metaphorical spatula, put on your thinking cap, and get ready to dive into the world of TouchBistro user numbers. Now, pinpointing the exact number of restaurants using any software can be tricky. Companies might not always disclose this information publicly, and smaller, independent restaurants might fly under the radar of market research firms. However, we can still paint a pretty good picture by piecing together information from various sources. Let's get cooking. First up, we have TouchBistro themselves. Their website proudly boasts that they've powered over 16,000 restaurants around the world. That's a significant number, showcasing a global reach and a strong presence in the restaurant management software industry. But is that all? Let's turn to the world of financial news. Back in 2023, TouchBistro secured a cool $110 million in funding to fuel their growth and potential acquisitions. Now, investors wouldn't be throwing that kind of cash around if they didn't see serious potential in TouchBistro's user base. Articles discussing this funding round also mention that TouchBistro serves more than 16,000 restaurants in 100 countries. This aligns with the information on their website, but it also hints at their ambitious growth plans. Next, we can explore industry research firms that track software usage. While specific numbers for TouchBistro might be hard to come by, these firms can provide a sense of the overall market landscape. For instance, a quick search reveals that companies like Toast, another big name in restaurant management software, boast hundreds of thousands of active users. This suggests that TouchBistro, while a major player, might not be the absolute leader in terms of user base. Here's where things get interesting. TouchBistro seems to focus on a specific niche within the restaurant management software market. Their marketing materials highlight their user-friendly interface and focus on independent restaurants. This strategy could explain why their user base might be smaller but more concentrated in a specific segment. So, while we can't pinpoint an exact number with complete certainty, the evidence suggests that TouchBistro has carved a sizable niche for itself. They cater to a specific audience, independent restaurants seeking a streamlined and user-friendly solution, and they've amassed a loyal following of over 16,000 users across the globe. That's a significant number of restaurants that are leveraging technology to elevate their operations and, hopefully, provide you with an even smoother dining experience. Of course, the world of restaurant management software is constantly evolving. New features, integrations, and competitors emerge all the time. It will be fascinating to see how TouchBistro continues to innovate and attract new restaurants in the years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep an eye out for those tech heroes working silently behind the scenes in your favorite restaurants.